pride and honor for me to be here to represent the Indian film industry in its full glory. Like Anmol Bhai said that I've been fortunate enough to be part of a family that's been contributing for 84 years now, and I hope I can carry this legacy forward with some respect, dignity and some good work. It's also a privilege to be associated with Color Screen Awards, a platform that's been honoring professional excellence in the Indian film industry, and I hope that this year also the Color Screen Awards reaches great heights, and congratulations on celebrating 19 years of Indian film industry. Actually, मैं सच बोलूँ तो इस साल मेरा सिर्फ एक फिल्म थी बर्फी, and because I played definitely इतने गाने नहीं थे, so I had to no, just kidding. Because Hindi cinema is celebrating 100 years, so we all brainstormed and came with an idea to actually do some songs for my family, from Mr. Raj Kapoor to Mr. Shami Kapoor, Mr. Shashi Kapoor, my father Mr. Rishi Kapoor, and then finally a song from Barfi. So we tried and conned my mother to do like a nice jig with me on stage on Parda Hai Parda and Lyric too. So I hope I don't mess it up. I hope I'm sure she's going to steal the limelight because she's always been such a wonderful performer. I'm nervous, I'm excited, and I hope that the audience likes it. Well, it hasn't started yet. I hope to start it today. I hope they haven't told me also yet. But yeah, I have a lot of members in my family who are actors. So I think for the next 3-4 years, I'll have some items up my sleeve, to get some family member to dance with me. But I'm looking forward to it. She's very nervous. She's not done something of this nature for the longest time. And I'm also working with a movie right now called Besharam with both my parents. So it's a happy family time. We all are going to work together, happily. I actually tried to get her this time, but she wasn't available. She was traveling. But it would be lovely. It would be awesome to perform with her. She's also such a talented, such a so much of achievements. I hope that she agrees to perform with me. I know that if you do a romantic number, it might seem odd because she's my sister. But we can do like a Raksha Bandhan song. Something of that nature. Well, हमने screen और colors को बहुत बर्फियाँ भेजी थी to give us these many nominations. But feels great, more than actually winning an award. I feel so happy that a film like Barfi has been received so well by the audience. Made so much of money. It just gives us an incentive to do films that we believe in. Films with good stories. It gives actors it gives me the confidence now to approach different characters, new characters, and not just play the same old conventional characters. And especially when a platform like Color Screen Awards honors it with so many nominations, it's only a pat on the back, and it's a reaffirmation that if you do things from an honest place, do things that you believe in, you will be successful. So I feel great that it's been honored. जो मेरी उम्र है, मैं उस उम्र कि कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करूँगा. मैं अभी कोई 50 साल का किरदार निभाना नहीं चाहता. अगर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर हो तो मैं करूँगा. बट जहाँ टाइटल्स का सवाल है, जैसे बेशरम, ये जवानी है दीवानी, फिर रॉक स्टार, आई थिंक टाइटल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन एन एक्टर्स लाइफ. 30 साल बाद लोग शायद मेरे फिल्में को याद नहीं करेंगे, बट ये टाइटल्स को याद करेंगे. जैसे इफ वी स्पीक अबाउट मिस्टर बच्चन, वी रिमेंबर हिम फ्रॉम शहनशाह एंड सो मेनी ऑफ हिज फिल्म्स, एंड धर्मजी फ्रॉम धर्मवीर, and Mr. Salman Khan from Dabangg, and Tiger. So I think titles play a very big part in remembering an actor. So I'm okay with Besharam, Jawani Diwani. It's fun. It's हाँ, सब मेरी लाइफ में देखकर कि मैं कैसा हूँ उसी टाइप का